Hi everyone. In this video we'll go through problems related to percentage increase and decrease. Let us go through these three problems in this video. In this particular problem, a student has to score 50% marks to pass. He gets 100 marks and yet fails by 50 marks. Find the maximum marks. So let's assume let maximum marks be x. Let's assume that this is the maximum marks. He has to score 15% marks to pass. So basically, passing marks should be 50% of what? 50% of total marks, right? So it should be 50% of x. Now, what is 50%? 50% is 50 by 100. Of is into x. This is nothing but 50x by 100. Now, it also tells that he gets 100 marks and yet fails by 50 marks. He gets 100 marks and fails by 50 means what? He's supposed to be getting 150. The passing mark should be 150. So, passing mark is 150 because he gets 100 marks and fails by 50. So, that means he needed 50 more marks. If another 50 marks was added to this 100 marks, then it would have been passed. So passing marks is 150. Here also we have passing marks, right? Here also we have passing marks. This is in terms of percentage. And this is the actual marks. Both should be equal, which means that 50% of x should be equal to 150, which means x is equal to, I shift this here, so it will become into 150 into 100 and shift 50 here. So it will be divided by 50. So I'll get 300. So x is equal to 300. That means max marks is equal to 300. Let's take this problem where Shreya and Sanju scored 78% and 72% in an examination. If the difference in their marks is 36, find the maximum marks. Let the max marks be x and we need to find this, right? Shreya's marks is 78%. 78% of what? Of the total marks, maximum marks, right? 78% of x. That is nothing but 78 by 100 into x. Now, what is Sanju's marks? Sanju's marks is 72%. 72% of x. That is 72 by 100. Percent is by 100. Of is into x. Now, the difference in their marks is 36. That means the difference in their marks is 36. Difference is 36. Difference between this and this. Difference between 1 and 2. That is 78x by 100 minus 72x by 100 is 36. Now this will be 78 minus 72 is 6x by 100 should be equal to 36. Which means we'll shift this 100 here. It will become multiplication. 3600 is equal to 6x, which means x is equal to 3600 by 6, which is 600. So it is 600. What is x? Total marks. So total marks is 600. Let's go through this problem. In this problem, Ayush gets 33,000 after getting an increase of 10% in his salary. What was his original income? Now, here Ayush has an original income. On that income, he gets 10% increment, right? And once he gets that 10% increment, his salary will become 33,000 rupees. So, we don't know what the original income is. So, let's assume that original income is X. And he gets an increment of 10%. On what? 10% on income, original income. This is nothing but 10% of original income, which is x. This is nothing but 10 by 100 of is into x, right? 10x by 100. And once he gets this increment, his total salary. What will be his total salary? After increment, total salary would be original salary, which is x. It will be original income or original salary plus increment. What is original income? X. What is increment? This is the increment that he has got, 10x by 100. And the total salary is given as 33,000. This is the total salary. Total salary is 33,000. Let's solve this and we'll get the value of x. So we'll take the LCM here. We'll get 100. Assume that there is 1 year. LCM is 100. Now this will go 100 times. To get an LCM of 100, you have to multiply 100 times. But you have to multiply numerator. So you'll get 100x. And to get LCM, you have to multiply 100 once. That means you have to multiply numerator. So 10x into 1 is 10x. So this will be 110x by 100. This is equal to 33,000. Now this in turn would be, I'll just try to find x. So this will be 33,000. I'll shift 100 here. So it will become multiplication into 100 is equal to 110x. Now if I calculate this, I'll get x is equal to 30,000 rupees. And what is x? X is original income. So original income is 30,000. After increment, he gets 33,000. With this, we have come to the end of this particular topic. If you have found this video useful, do press a like and share it. Thank you.